Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so maybe Nigeria. And as usual, we now don't come again with breaking news. We don't come with informate. We don't come with report wey go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now we say the Rivers State sole administrator will be the retired Vice Admiral Gbas. He now don summon the suspended governor of Rivers State will be Fubara, plus his deputy will be Dr. Ngozi Odu, and Oga Gbas now dey summon them to appear before him for inside the government house of Rivers State wey dey for inside the capital city of the state, and that na Port Harcourt. And according to one special announcement wey dey issued on Tuesday, wey be the 15th day of April for inside this year, so wey be 2025, and this announcement, so person wey sign am na the secretary to the state government, and that na Professor Ibibia Lucky Worika. Tori people now dey find out say the summon na part of an official inquiry onto the appointment wey Sir Fubara make for his administration over the past 2 years. So like this now, the suspended governor of Rivers State wey be Sir Fubara, he has been directed now to present comprehensive documentation and records related to appointment wey he make while he been dey in office as governor of the state, including the rationale and procedures wey guide those decisions. And still for inside the inquiry, still for inside the announcement, men dey yarn now say they go allow the suspended governor wey be Sir Fubara to provide a clear and detailed explanation as to why in dey believe say they're supposed to reinstate am back to office as governor of the state. So like this now, my good people, both the suspended governor and his deputy are very much expected to appear in person on Friday, maybe the 18th day of April for inside this year, so maybe 2025, at 10 a.m. sharp at the conference room of the Rivers State Government House. And the notice dey let men dey know say attendance is very much mandatory. So last men now gats answer present. And also the notice na part of wetin the sole administrator wey be Oga Gbas dey describe as a broader effort to restore transparency, accountability and lasting peace in the governance of Rivers State. Onto this notice, so onto this informate, many country people don already dey drop their point of view about the matter. Dem now don dey yarn as the thing be dem for body. Many countrymen now don dey yarn say Oga Gbas na fake administrator na im be, and he need to do respect the rule of law, because he no even get the center, he no get the left, talk less of the right or the power to summon an elected democratic government. And that's now the suspended governor wey be Sir Fubara plus his deputy sef wey be Ngozi Odu for any form of questioning or whatsoever as regards the appointment wey he make while he been there for office as governor of his state. Men dey yarn now say na only court na get that power to summon them over if there is a case against them. And this notice so wey dey come from Oga Gbas, that dey tell the general public say as a sole administrator wey him be, as they don give am opportunity, as they don give am chance, he don dey take chances, he don dey overstep, he don dey cross boundaries. And also many men for inside we nation Nigeria dey yarn say as a legitimate citizen and a democratically elected governor wey Sir Fubara be, he get the right, he get the left, he get the power, he get everything wey it takes to waka enter government house, then go warn Oga Gbas say make you no try am again, say dey summon am like that. While many dey yarn say the things and things wey dey play for inside we nation Nigeria, e no nice at all. Say if APC no be cartel, why e be say na for only Nigeria na abnormalities go dey happen on a daily basis. Small this our nation Nigeria wey dey preach about democracy go soon enter the system of dictatorship. And it is very much unfortunate say an illegitimate government, a sole administrator appointed by our president under basics we no nice, under unconstitutional basics, go come dey summon a legitimate governor of the state, a legitimate government. And now my good people, as a country person wey you be, anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another report, me still get another update wey I go like share give the general public. And the koko be say the Federal High Court wey dey sit down for inside Port Harcourt don struck out a suit challenging the defection of 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. And the men wey carry this case go court so na the Labour Party, and dem want make the court declare the seat of the lawmakers vacant sake of their alleged defection from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress. But now the judge wey dey oversee the case, the judge wey anchor the matter wey be Justice A. Obile, he now don drop his own ruling about the matter. And for inside the judgment of Justice Emmanuel, he now dey yarn about the recent Supreme Court ruling. And no be lie, The apex court bin don rule about the matter. The apex court now bin don drop judgement about the 27 lawmakers their alleged defection. Now the judge dey let men dey know say im dey lack the jurisdiction now to do anything about matter wey Supreme Court don already plaster their own ruling. Tori pipo now dey get dis informate from one countryman wey dey go by the name Martins Nwachukwu, and im na aide to the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly wey be Martins Amewule, wey be one of the principal defendants for the matter. Na Oga Martins na come dey confirm the ruling of the court. Na Oga Martins na dey yarn dey give the general public about the verdict of the court, and im dey yarn the information dey give tori pipo via a social media post. And no be lie my good pipo, the counsel for the defendant sef bin don already urge the court to dismiss the suit, and dem now still dey yarn about the recent Supreme Court judgement. And to promote their talk for inside court, dem now come present a certified true copy of the Supreme Court decision, and dem now come still dey yarn say the leadership of the assembly under Martin Amewule is very much legitimate, and Siminalayi Fubara wey be the suspended governor of Rivers State sake of the ruling of Supreme Court, im don already withdraw the allegations of defection wey im don bin file go another federal high court today for inside Abuja. But no matter the matter, my good pipo, the counsel of the Labour Party wey be Clifford Chukwu, e now come still dey argue say the issue of defection dey remain a collateral matter, and e come still dey urge the court say make dem proceed with the case based on the body of evidence wey dey already before the court. That is the Labour Party their counsel dey yarn say whether the Supreme Court now don drop ruling about the matter or not, say that ruling na Supreme Court their own. Based on the evidence wey dey ground, so e go good make the Federal High Court drop their own ruling and make dem declare the seat of the 27 lawmakers vacant sake of say na dem by theirself defect from the People's Democratic Party go the ruling All Progressive Congress. Now this informate so my good pipo, e no dey in support of the matter and neither is it against the matter, but no be lie. Pictures and videos dey ground as the lawmakers from the People's Democratic Party dey come dey wave the flag of the ruling All Progressive Congress. Now if that no be evidence to defection, that na evidence to anti-party activity. Now this my good pipo na the informate I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put your comment inside our comment section, and no be lie, we go like wan hear your thoughts about the matter. We go like know your point of view about the things and things wey dey play for inside Rivers State. Once again, this na Anointed Lady TV, and I would like give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so maybe Nigeria. And now if you like this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to Anointed Lady TV, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more information for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.